Guys, here we go. PYT number 4 of our 4-box mixer. Good look, everybody. Okay, we do a serial number filler. Roll the dice 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Highlight on top, James Wilson on the bottom. Five times here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1 on top, 7 on the bottom. After this, it didn't look like anyone was waiting for baseball. Normally we're going to do baseball, it's like the last break. Alright, here we go. Playbook. 1 spot highlight. There you go, man. Did get you 1 of 1. Good playbook. It's kind of thin. Oh, number to 70, T. Higgins. That's a serial number 1. All right, number 12 of 25. The Lions, Ben Donnie. One of 1 printing plate. Is this playbook? Denzel Memes. Going out to the Jets. Brown. Another 1 of 1 printing plate going out to the Buccaneers. Tyler Johnson. Brown 57. There you go, Brown. That's weird how this happens. And then we got a big napkin here for the Bengals. Serial number style. 41 of 70 going to the highlight. Yeah, well, you just, I didn't know what break it was. I put you in case. I didn't know that you wanted the other one. Highlight. But nice hit here, though. Alright, here we go with placing batches. Here we go. This is 61 of 70 for the Eagles. Rob Miller. John Elway, number to 75 for the Broncos. Broncos PC. Nice 2 colors. Jersey patch there. For the Ravens, Dogfather, number 220, Patrick Queen. The John Elway, player worn. Well, it says player worn used, so who knows? 1 of 1 printing plate of Lamar Jackson. Pretty cool printing plate here for Dogfather. And the last one, Aaron Jones, number to 60. Packers. 56 of 60 going up to the 6th spot. Highlight. Alright. There we go, limited. Brady, Hopkins, Colin Johnson, number to 189. Auto for the Jags, Big Dog. Alright, Khalif Campbell. Odell Beckham, number to 15. For the Browns, Dunchick. A.J. Dillon, jersey card, number to 189. For the Packers. That's serial number. Going up to the 2th spot, Brown 57. Drew Lock, Jerry Goff. Alright, here we go. And for the Bills, Triple G Money, Zach Moss, number 249, 4-color patch autograph. Triple G Money, nice hit there. And here's our last one. Good luck, guys. Go. Jalen Reagor for the Eagles. Rob Miller, very nice, 10 of 49. There we go, guys. Again, the regular student recap. Zach Moss, A.J. Dillon, Beckham 15, Colin Johnson auto, Aaron Jones number 60. Lamar Jackson 101 pretty plate, Patrick Queen auto, number 20, John Elway, patch, Brian Dawkins, number 70, 101 printing plate autograph, Tyler Johnson, 101 printing plate autograph, Denzel Means. We have a Quentin Cephas auto, and a book of T. Higgins. Alright, thank you guys. There's a little case for this. Let's do the credit real quick. 3 people will get $10 credit. Four times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ben Donnie Brown and Triple G Money with $10 credit. Alright, thank you guys.